Metallurgical. Welcome to KFio, my photography and video channel. This is my series I'm calling Vlogging Tips for Beginner, episode number 2. I'm talking about the thing is, new beginners often start thinking about the kind of camera you want to use. And so you go out, you buy the camera and you buy the lens. You forget that audio is very important. Mind you, people don't want to watch videos that have terrible sound. It's people are not forgiving when you create videos that don't have good sound. You want to make sure that you buy yourself a microphone and attach it to your camera and capture good audio for your video. Don't use a built-in mic in your camera, especially on Canon cameras. They are not good. So invest into a nice microphone to help you with your vlogging. When you are vlogging, there is a lot of wind, there is a lot of background noise. Bad audio makes videos hard to watch, and if you want people to watch your video, so a solution to this problem is simply just you investing into a good microphone, be it a shotgun, or you get yourself a lavalier like the one I have here attached to my t-shirt. It will help you capture good audio, and that audio will help your audience enjoy your videos, enjoy your content. I tell you, terrible audio makes people just click off your video and go do something else, watch something else. Don't forget to like this video and stick around. Episode 3 is coming up, and if you don't want to miss, make sure to subscribe. It was nice hanging out.